Okay, in this video, I just want to give a brief update on what I covered in the video on the screen, Millenium Hilton, Kubrick's Monolith, and 212693-2001, where I went into the coincidence that the builder of the Millenium Hilton, Peter Calico, openly stated in a New York Times article that he wanted to build a replica of the monolith from 2001: A Space Odyssey at what is now referred to as Ground Zero, across the street from the two towers, or at least where they used to be before they were destroyed. And how interesting it was that that hotel was assigned the number 212693-2001, where you have this 212 kind of implying, in an abstract way, two towers becoming one in 2001, which is kind of just a footnote in history as it relates to all of the strange things that surround September 11th, 2001. But it gets even stranger, and this is courtesy of an anonymous contribution to my blog that I missed at the time. I don't know how I missed this, but I did, and I just now saw it randomly, where someone said 212693-2001, the first bombing was on 2/26/93. Like I said, I don't know who this is. They just put another clue, and I have anonymous posting set up on my blog, so I don't have any of their information. I don't know who it was, but whoever you are, thank you. Because when you go back to the phone number with the added information that the original 1993 World Trade Center bombing was carried out on February 26th, 1993, you see that 22693 is in the phone number too. 22693. That's the date of the 1993 World Trade Center bombing that preceded the September 11th, 2001 attack on the towers. So we have both events encoded into the phone number that Peter Calico had assigned to the Millenium Hilton that sat across from quote-unquote Ground Zero. What are the odds of that? I mean, we're into the 99.99999 percentile here as far as stretching the limits of coincidence go. What are the odds of that? That both events would be coded into this phone number. And for the skeptical mind that might be listening to this thinking, well, hold on a second, that took place in 1993. What year did Peter Calico buy the hotel? Well, he bought it well before the actual bombing took place, and it opened on June 10th, 1992, according to Wikipedia. I've seen other sources claim that it opened in September of 1992, but regardless, this hotel was open and functioning before early 1993 when this original bombing took place at the World Trade Center, meaning the phone number would have been assigned at that point and been in operation. Anyways, there really isn't much more to go into, so my apologies for the short video that doesn't really have a lot of other information. However, I really felt like this one deserved its own video, considering how wild and crazy this is, that 22693 is in the Millenium Hilton's phone number in the same way that the two towers become one in 2001 is also encoded there.